So let's do the sketch. Let's do the sketch with Schraub, the post office sketch.
And then
Okay.
We've worked on this a lot. I hope I'm off book. You guys.
I'm good.
Well, it's a live show, so I mean, look, sometimes people break up, they start laughing, but those people get fired or stay on the show for 20 seasons. It depends on whether they're popping.
All right.
I'm locking tonight.
Chris, can we get lights down? Let's do this.
Let's do the post office sketch.
Yeah, post office sketch.
Come in. It's a post office.
Excuse me. I'd like to mail it back here.
Woo! Sorry. You can.
Was that the studio audience?
Mail whatever you want, sir.
I'd like to mail it back here.
Okay. Well, we need to weigh it. It's.
I'd like to weigh the box here.
Is it a mock chair?
Box here.
A Bach chair.
Yeah.
You gonna mail a Bach chair? Well, look, I don't need to know what it is.
Media mail.
I am kind of a meteor man in the sense that I.
Media man. It's a media man.
It's a meteor man.
It sounds like you got a media man.
Yeah.
In the back.
Yeah. Well, that's my boss's office chair. It's a lot of people think that it's him farting, but
No.
okay. Well, let's take that Meteor Man behemoth chair, and looks like that weighs about 5 pounds, and depending on where depending on where you're mailing that, Will have you filled out an address form?
No.
Oh, no. Well, then, you should. There you go. Okay. That's such a long, casual, but also loud laugh. Whoa, okay. They don't like being self-aware. All right. Yeah, all right. That's all right. Sounded like some of them didn't like it toward the end there. So let's fill out this form.
I need a writing utensil.
Yeah, so here you go as a pencil. You just put the address you want to send it to on one side, and the address that you are sending it from on the other side. Wow, you really write. You write so magically.
Yeah. I'm mail a box.
Sir,
what?
This is a series of hash marks.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
That's the wrong one.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to hear that you have standards for yourself. All right, come on. Well, now, what do you mean?
Continue the scene.
You just continue the scene. It's been way late.
We're fucking doing this.
Trying to do scene work over here.
Are we fucking doing this? After all that fucking talking about... I'm sorry. I
can't work like this. You can't work like this.
Just fucking end the scene.
All right. Come in. It's a post office.
Honey, I thought you were going to be home after you mailed your box.
Oh,
Cheryl Teague. That's the end because it's a sketch. He's got a crazy character, and it's crazy that he's married to a sexy model lady.
There it is. The character was.
You gotta. How much can I pay to get you high quality, non-Sound Dog free sample from SoundDog.com fucking audio files? Like 12 kbps fucking sound. Like it sounds like my grandma is Skyping in the sound effects. If you were, ridiculous that laugh is pieced together.
Do that laugh again.
Listen to the way they kind of trail off and lose interest in their own laughter.
Wait, okay.
They all went back to the punch press.
Schraub, say something funny and then hit the button.
When do you know when you're finished?
Come on, press the... Jesus Christ.
It's like
what the hell are you doing?
Which button? I've got loads of buttons.
Well, no, press the fuck
Obviously
button.
the
The
fucking
fucking
laugh
laugh
button.
button. Obviously the fucking laugh button. Sorry.
Thank you.
That's... I mean...
We'll try it again.
We'll try it again. We'll try it live.
All right, say something funnier.
Pimping me.
Well, I'll take a turn.
How about this? You guys go. You go down the line. I'll based on these 7.
No, that's...
Spencer's in the middle of leading an experiment of some kind.
Okay, Spencer, take over.
Okay.
I'm sticking with the laugh track button on this one.
Okay. There was an explosion somewhere in New York, but people think it might have been a Samsung Galaxy S8. Again, I mean...
The president tweeted today that he wants the country to stop doing bad things. When reached for comment, he was at Stormy Daniels' house. There's one guy in there that's just
crying.
There's one, or is he slowly realizing that he's like boo? He's booing, right? There's one guy in there
person
at
to
the
me
end
sounds
booing.
like someone going.
Or actually, it just might be like a murder. Is there a murder?
A ghost or a zombie?
When you get your cheap sound effects, they're like, look, we can't. It's the same as you get cheap tuna. There's going to be some dolphin in it. You get.
It's like how in Poltergeist they used real skeletons.
The Pirates of the Caribbean they got some UCLA skeletons for a while.
Yeah.
They were like, well, we'll fix it later. But
they got away with it until they were caught selling arms to China.
Well,
it's been 283 episodes to do that joke.
I mean, I really would like to outfit you for our sketch segment.
No, I've said that.
I know, it's
not a terrible idea. It's the execution.
Also, I want to say, at hindsight, it's awful. But we're going to be here for a couple more weeks. We're not going to be up and running in front of the audience. But this is a rare opportunity. We're doing a single camera podcast, and we could have some fun with this and wear it the fuck out before.
Right, we could do video bits.
Well, not video bits, but I'm just saying audio bits with that. We're doing fake sketches our B sketch. We could have somebody doing a little soundboard.
Yeah,
with the laughter.
I like that idea. Definitely.
Fun.
That's an atom bomb of an idea, Dan.
All right. Well,
come back.